5 learning myths debunked by cognitive science. You've been lied to, not by your enemies, not by a shadowy villain twirling a mustache, by your teachers, by motivational posters, by that one guy in your friend group who swears he studied for 12 hours straight and aced everything. Spoiler, he didn't. And the way most of us were taught to learn? Scientifically, embarrassingly wrong. But don't worry, today we're blowing the whole thing up. Welcome to Studying Machine. Let's debunk 5 learning myths that cognitive science has completely destroyed. Myth 1. Rereading your notes is studying. Hate to break it to you, but flipping through your notes while half watching Netflix is not studying. It feels productive. That's the trap. Psychologists call it the fluency illusion. Familiar information feels like known information. It's not. The fix? Use active recall. Close the book. Ask yourself, what did I just learn? Struggle to remember it. That struggle? That's your brain literally building new pathways. It's uncomfortable, and that's exactly the point. Myth 2. You're either a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner. This one is everywhere. It's in schools, corporate training programs, probably tattooed on someone somewhere, and it's completely unsupported by science. Research shows matching learning styles to content produces zero measurable benefit. You're not a Hogwarts house, you're a human brain, and human brains learn best through varied, interconnected input. Images, words, sounds, movement, emotion. Mix it all together. That's the recipe. Myth 3. Longer study sessions equal more learning. Grinding for 6 hours straight doesn't make you disciplined. It makes you exhausted and forgetful. Your hippocampus, the brain's memory filing clerk, gets overwhelmed and starts dropping folders everywhere. The fix? Spaced repetition and the Pomodoro technique. Study in focused bursts, 25 minutes on, 5 minutes off. Review material across multiple days, not one marathon session. Your brain consolidates memories during rest. Sleep isn't laziness. Sleep is literally studying. Myth 4. Multitasking makes you more productive. We all think we're the exception. We're not. Neuroscience is painfully clear. The human brain doesn't multitask. It task switches, and every switch costs you cognitive energy and accuracy. You're not Julius Caesar dictating letters while fighting a war. You're just doing 2 things badly at once. Single task, full focus. It's less glamorous. It works infinitely better. Myth 5. Some people are just not smart enough. Wrong. Growth mindset isn't just a buzzword. It's backed by decades of neuroplasticity research. Your brain rewires itself every time you learn something new. Intelligence isn't fixed, it's trained. So here's your new reality. You don't need more hours, a better memory, or a learning style quiz. You need better tools. And now you've got 5 of them. Go pick up that book. Your brain is ready. And honestly, so is your future self. If you want more science-backed study strategies that actually work, subscribe to Studying Machine. We don't do myths here, just results.